It is a wonderful day at Pierce Properties. Today we are going to show you Campus Crossing. Man, look at that view from the third floor. Campus Crossing is our most spacious of one bedrooms. So we walk into the living room. We have a coat closet. Have a nice island sink. Maybe put a couple bar stools there. Have your washer dryer. Built-in desk. Pantry. Stove, refrigerator, dishwasher. It also has a garbage disposal. Bedroom. Your walk-in closet. Bathroom. Your wonderful balcony. Very spacious. Nice and shaded. Thank you for watching Campus Crossing. If you have any questions, please call our office at 479-444-7440. Thank you.